Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be doing our Boxy Luxe BoxyCharm unboxing. Now if you don't know what Boxy Luxe is, it is what BoxyCharm is. It is a subscription box that you get every month, and they have the base box, which is $25 a month, the premium box, which is $35 a month, and then they have the Luxe box, which we have right here, that is $50 every 3 months. So today we're going to unbox my Luxe box. I haven't even opened it yet. I did uncut the sticker, but I haven't opened it. So if you want to see what I got, let's dive right in. Alright, so I'm going to open the box. I have like no space. Please tell me there's a fucking insert card in here. Well, we have some of this. We have some coupons. Guys, hello insert. Ooh. It was hidden. Okay, so this is the BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe edition. This is the one that is, I think it offers a $200 something value. I can't exactly remember. I will check and let you know. But for right now, we're gonna start opening it. The first thing I see is this M Green Grass Head to Toe Cream, CBD level 100 of cannabinoid oil. This multi-active formula often intensifies moisture, boosts hydration and feels restored. It's great as daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe. Use from 1 to 2 pumps, ideal for all skin types. So, okay, everything's falling on me. So we have this, and it is a $56 bottle. I've never heard of this brand before. Let's smell it, because, you know. Oh, it is a cream. Okay, and it looks like it's in a little pump. So this says it retails for $56. It says it's THC free, and it is packed with high performance ingredients for intense hydration, exceptional moisture plus soothing and calming benefits, great as a daily facial moisturizer for challenging spots. Okay, so that's something. Alright, let's see, what do I see here? Melanin and Goatees Recovery Treatment Oil. I don't know what this is. This botanical oil treatment absorbs quickly to nourish skin and help improve appearance of line and fine wrinkles. Evening prism, argan, and jojoba oil helps the hydration. Grapeseed and rosehip oils deliver vitamin C to help improve skin tone. Geranium and beige oils help balance skin, subtle for all skin types, including sensitive. Okay, well, what is it supposed to treat though, guys? Our fast absorbing treatment formulated. Oh, it's for helps hydrate to help address the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. So that's the bottle. Never heard of this brand. Apparently this retails for $82. Would I spend $82? Probably not. But I will. Oh, it smells good. I will definitely try that. We will see how that goes. This is interesting so far. Okay, Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. I already know I'm not probably going to use this. I don't know why Kylie Skin is in here. It is for $24. Our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with nourishing kiwi seed oils packed with vitamin C to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. The gentle formula cleanses skin by helping remove dirt and makeup and bright complexion. Anyone who knows me knows that I have nothing to do with the Kardashians and I really don't care about it. I know my best friend loves this stuff, so I'll probably just give it to her. It looks like that. But I'm definitely not going to open it because I probably won't be using it. I do have a ton of face stuff right now. I don't need any more. Clearly this is a lot of skincare in this box, so we'll see. That does retail for $24. So now I'm picking this one. It's the Body Graph Lip Pencil 2-pack. Body Graphy in Pouty and Rosewood. Antioxidant lip pencils that glide on and your favorite lipstick with precise pigment, rich to fill in and define lips, enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. Okay, so this must be in, there must be 2 colors. It says it's a 2-pack on here. Never heard of this brand. Yep, there's 2 in here. And they're Kohl's. Oh, okay, they're nice colors. Ooh, that came out quick. So this one is called Rosewood. That's a nice color. And then this one is also a nice color. And it is called Pouty. Alright, so that's good. I'm excited about those. I don't have enough lip liners, so it's always good for that. Oh, okay. Alright, so I've never heard of this before, but this is a Perfect Glow BB Cream by Parless. This is in light medium. This may be a little bit dark for me, I'm not sure. It is Parless Beauty Perfect Glow BB Cream with 30 SPF, complexion perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish with your multitasking beauty balm, glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage. Alright, so I'm going to open you, see what we look like. I have no foundation on my face, so I'm just going to add it here. Oh my god, it's actually a perfect match. Guys, that's never happened to me before. It's actually a perfect match. It's way too light for my arm, but like it blended right into my skin, so heck yeah, I will try that. I love trying out foundations. And it's a tinted moisturizer and with SPF. Okay, that's cute. That retails for $35. And this is a OSHA. Okay. OSHA Bring Home the Spa Home Sculptor. It says favorite skincare treatment, chisels, lift and define. Okay, I don't know what this is. Ooh. Okay, so it's one of those like glide tools. Okay, so it says chisel, lift and define facial contours with jade tool, melts muscle tension and improves skin firmness with constant use. So it's one of those things that you like glide across your face. So we'll try that. That's cute. I've never heard of that before in here, but it tells you how to use it here. I'll have to figure that out. I've never used that brand. Oh, it's OC, not OSHA. OC. So we'll try that. Alright, and looking in here, I see this Tartist Pro clay palette. Okay. So, okay. Tartist Pro Amazonian clay palette. Prepare for an explosion. Being passionate about pigment, the sequel to the OG Pro palette came to play. The rich, vibrant 20-shade superstar formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. It's ready to rock your world and remix yourself. Okay. This is beautiful. I've wanted a palette, like one of these palettes for a while, and I'm excited. It's a nice neutral warm tone, like purpley palette. These colors are right up my alley. Sorry if I'm like blinding you guys with the mirror, but I'm really excited. Okay, this is cute. Like, yes, pigment. This one's called No Filter. Hello me. Like, I know that's not how we do shit. This is why I don't swatch. But look at that huge ass mirror too. I cannot wait to try this. This is exciting for me. Okay. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we have Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. Oh, I wish they put Lily Lashes in here instead. By the way, the palette retailed for $49. So this is a mascara from Lily Lashes. An extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. Okay, so the wands. Okay, I mean, I'll have to try it with a look. I have makeup and mascara on now, so I'm not gonna do that, but yeah, that's cool. I'm excited to try that. It looks like that's all that's in the box. So now I'm going to tally it up. In this one you get 7 to 8 items, I think it is. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 7 to 8 items. I got 8, which is not bad. I am going to tally up how much everything's worth. So the Kylie Skin was $24. The Parlous Beauty BB Cream was $35. The Lily Lash Mascara was $24. The Tarteist Palette was $49. The OC Sculptor was $32, which that's crazy. The CBD Head to Toe Cream is $56, which is insane. And the Recovery Treatment Oil, which I kind of am interested to know how that works, is $82, which is even more insane. And then we also have the Bodyography Lip Pencil Set for $28. So that brings my box to $330, and I think it's like $285 or something like that the Boxy Luxe is supposed to be. I can't remember. It's at least around that, but that's a $330 worth of product. I'm really excited to try some of these things. Like, I don't know how Kylie's Skin ended up in here, but whatever. She's kind of a little beat up. I'll give her away. I'm not really too excited about that, but everything else is great. I mean, this like skin thing, I mean, I've been wanting to try something like this, but I don't really know how this is gonna work. It's like one of those jade rollers, but like not. So we'll try this out. We'll see. I'm excited. I got a good mix of stuff. Good skincare, good makeup, like the mascara, the lip pencils. Kind of got eyes, lips, and face this time. Because I got the palette too, and then I got so I got all those, and then I got the serum and the CBD cream. And don't fall on the floor, people. Where's my box? Okay, I got version 53 if anyone's looking. And so that's awesome. I'm really excited. The theme this month was the Oasis, so it looks like it's like a spa kind of theme. So I'm really excited to try these products out, and I will definitely be using them in the next video that I do. So look out for that, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!